Alright folks, if you're in Nigeria and hunting for the best affordable noise-canceling headphones, you're in the right place. I'm about to break down the top budget options that'll give you great sound without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. First up, we've got the Anker Soundcore Life Q20. These bad boys are a steal at around 20,000 naira. With hybrid active noise cancellation, 40-hour battery life, and impressive sound quality, they're perfect for commuting, studying, or just chilling at home. Plus, they're super comfy. Next on the list, the Tautronic SoundSurge 60. For about 18,000 naira, you get solid noise cancellation and a 30-hour battery life. The sound is clear and balanced, making them great for all types of music. And the foldable design, perfect for tossing in your bag on the go. Now, if you're looking for something even more budget-friendly, check out the MPOW H5. Priced at roughly 15,000 naira, these headphones offer decent noise cancellation and a 30-hour battery life. They might not have the premium feel of pricier models, but they definitely get the job done. Moving on, we've got the Bluedio T7. Around 17,000 naira, these headphones punch above their weight with active noise cancellation and a 30-hour battery life. The sound quality is solid and the build is surprisingly sturdy for the price. Plus, they come with a slick, modern design. Last but not least, the Edifier W820NB. For about 25,000 naira, you get excellent noise cancellation, amazing sound quality, and a 49-hour battery life. They're a bit pricier than the others, but still a fantastic deal for the features you get. So there you have it, folks. The best budget noise-canceling headphones you can snag in Nigeria. Whether you're on a tight budget or willing to spend a bit more, there's something here for everyone. Happy listening.